Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. Maruti Suzuki have officially started taking bookings for the new second generation Celerio compact hatchback. Maruti Suzuki is all set to launch the second generation Celerio in the coming weeks before December 2021. This new second generation Celerio compact hatchback has already been revealed through spy shots and videos, revealing the exterior and interior design along with the features. Replacing the existing Celerio, this new second generation model will be larger in size while also offering more features. Just like all latest Maruti Suzuki cars, the new Celerio will also be based on the same Heartect platform, and going by the spy shots, the exterior design will feature a lot of design elements borrowed from other Maruti Suzuki cars, while also featuring organic curves. On the inside, the dashboard layout and design will be completely new. However, the second generation Celerio will also borrow a lot of parts and features from other Maruti Suzuki cars. The top spec Celerio will offer features such as a 7-inch SmartPlay Studio touchscreen system with reverse parking camera, steering mounted audio controls, with the steering design similar to the WagonR, an LCD multi-information display, smart key access with push button start, all 4 power windows, electronically adjustable and foldable ORVMs, a height adjustable driver seat, front fog lamps, rear windshield wiper washer with defogger, and 15-inch alloy wheels. This new Celerio will get a more updated version of the 1-liter 3-cylinder K-series engine we have seen on the Maruti Suzuki Espresso, which is also expected to be launched with the CNG option. This engine will produce 60 PS of maximum power and 78 Nm of maximum torque, which will be mated to a 5-speed manual or a 5-speed AMT gearbox. Maruti Suzuki also claims that this new second generation Celerio will be the most fuel-efficient petrol car in India, with a claimed efficiency figure of more than 26.6 km per litre without the CNG option. Due to the larger dimensions, the new Celerio will be more spacious than the existing one in terms of rear seat space and boot space as well. When launched in the coming weeks, this new second generation Celerio is expected to compete against the likes of the Tata Tiago, the Hyundai Santro, and will be positioned below the Maruti Suzuki Ignis, the Swift and the Baleno. Stay tuned for further updates regarding the second generation Maruti Suzuki Celerio compact hatchback. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.